how to delete Instagram account without waiting 30 days. First, you need to get up onto your right option, which is right here. Then simply go on the three dots on your right upper side, go settings, and then simply go for help. And when you get there, go for help center, the second selection. Then it will take you to your browser on your side system, which is right here. And then simply, as you can see, here you have all these selections. And I'm gonna go on the search box and type for delete. And go delete account. And simply go delete your account. And right now, as you can see, you have the option to temporarily deactivate your account. Simply go tap on that selection, which is with that site. From here, you can take it from your computer, from your browser, or from your iPhone, as you can see from that application. And right now, what you need to do, simply you can take off and go delete your Instagram account on that site. From here on, guys, you're gonna be available to get that selection. Simply you can follow all these steps, and then you're gonna be available to get it to the main point.